Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're going to do the Mowshoof Sifa assignment. This actually a easy one. Easy one means answer is already given. This all are Mowshoof Sifa. What you have to do is make sure the four properties are matching of the both ism, because ism four properties has to be matched to it will become Mowshoof Sifa. So we need to ensure that four properties are matching. So first one we're going to learn is Kaulan, Sakilan. Sakilan. So Kaulan is Nasib, Sakilan also Nasib. Uh, Kaulan is singular, Sakilan also singular. Kaulan is masculine, Sakilan also masculine. Kaulan is common and Sakilan also common. So it's a Mausus Sifa. All four properties are matching. I'm not going to explain how it is coming because you should know now. Second word is Attamatu al Kubra. Attamatu is Rafa. Al Kubra can be Rafa, Nasib, Jar, any of these because it is inflexible, non-flexible word because it's finishing like Musa, so it's non-flexible. It can be Rafa, Nasib, and Jar, anything. So anyway, we'll go with the second one. Uh, Second is Attamat is feminine because Tamrabuta Ta is there. Kubra is also feminine because that Ya is there. And next one is Attamatu is singular. Al Kubra is singular. You can check the meaning. Greatest calamity. It's one calamity, so singular. And finally, both as al, so both are proper. Both are proper. So that means only one property is not matching. All others are matching. Not it does. It means all three are matching. One property is one is Rafa, and other can be Rafa, Nasib, Jar, anything. So if all other three properties are matching, then we can assume that the Kubra is Rafa as well to make sure it is Mawsuf Sifa. So it will become Mawsuf Sifa. Okay. See, anyway, the three properties are matching. The other property we cannot say it's not matching. It is can be it can match. It can be Rafa, it can be Nasib, and it can be Jar. So it is like the way we decided the mudafile nasibo jar, it is jar after mudaf. Like that, if the three properties are matching, fourth property we can say if it is can be, it is benefit of the doubt. We can say it is matching. It is rafa. Then next word is suhufan mutakharatan. Sufan nasib, mutakharatan nasib. Sufan singular or plural or feminine or masculine? It's a good question. So now you have to go down and see the meaning. Sufan is scriptures. Sufan is scriptures. So that means it looks like a singular, but the meaning is plural. What we learn about this? This is called broken plural, and also its scriptures is a non-human, so this is a non-human broken plural, should be treated as singular feminine. If you don't remember this, go back to lesson plural singular masculine feminine and do it again, all again. Otherwise you cannot do this. That's why that knowledge what you learn there is important to understand this concept. That's why we learn all this stuff. Okay, so sufan has to be treated like non-human broken plural, which mean grammatically singular feminine, and sufan is nasib singular and feminine, and the last one is it is common. And if you go to mutahharatan, it is nasib, it is singular, it is because there is no sign for the plural, it is singular, and it is feminine. Why? It is ending with tamra buta, and finally it has no al, so it is common as well. So that means both words, the all four properties are matching. This is mausu sifa. Okay, next one. Bala'un min rabbikum adimun. Can you remember we learned Mausu Sifa does not has to be near. It can be far away as well. Okay. Bala'un is Rafa. Then the another Rafa is Alimun. So we have to check whether these two are Mausu Sifa. Anyway, we know it is Mausu Sifa. We have to check the properties. Both are Rafa. Bala'un is Rafa. Alimun is Rafa. And Bala'un is check the meaning a test. Balaun mean test. Alimun mean great. So Balaun is one test. So singular, and Alimun is singular. And Balaun is masculine because there is no sign for feminine. And Alimun also masculine. And finally both are common. So Balaun Alimun is Mausu Sifa. Balaun is test. Alimun is great. So great test. Great test. Mausu Sifa. What is the sifa of the test? It is great. Sururun marfuatun. Sururun marfuatun. Sururun. Sururun is looks like a singular. Check the meaning. Sururun mean beds. Sururun mean beds. So it is looks like a singular, but meaning is plural. We call broken plural, and beds are not a human, so non-human broken plural. You have to consider as a singular feminine. So it is rafa. It is singular. It is feminine, and it is common. Marfuatun. It is rafa. It is feminine. It is also singular, and it is common. So this also Mowshoof Sifa. How to translate elevated beds? Sururun mean bed, Marfuatun mean elevated beds. It's talking about beds in paradise. You don't have to sleep down. Our beds are elevated. So even when you're sleeping in the bed, you can see the view. Subhanallah. Kasfin Maukulin. Kasfin Maukulin. Ka is it's a nasab of harf of jar that you learn later, but the words are hasfin and maukulin. What is aswin? Aswin mean a straw. Okay, straw, and it is one. So aswin is nasib. Sorry, jar. Maukulin is jar. Aswin is singular. Maukulin is singular. Aswin is masculine. There is no sign for feminine. Maukulin is feminine. Sorry, masculine. And finally, both are common. So this is also four properties are matching. It is Mowshoof Sifa. Next one is Al Fawzul Kabiru. Both are Rafa. Fauzu, Kabiru, both are Rafa. Both as al, so it is proper. So take the meaning. Fauzu mean one attainment. So singular, and al Kabiru is great. That also singular, and both are masculine. So al Fauzul Kabiru is Mowshoof Sifa. Fauz means success or attainment. Success, you can say success as well. Kabir mean great success. Okay. Narun hamiyatun. Next one, narun hamiyatun. Narun is rafa. Hamiyatun is rafa. Narun is singular. Hamiyatun is singular. Narun is feminine because Arab said so. Hamiyatun is feminine because tamarabuta ta. And narun is common. Hamiyatun is common. Mowshoof sifa. Narun mean fire. Hamiyatun mean hot, intensively hot. So how the fire sifa of the fire is hot fire or intensively hot fire. Last one, li gulamaini yatimaini. Li gulamaini yatimaini. So gulamaini, muslimani muslimaini. Okay, so muslimaini mean can be nasibot jar. Okay, so yatimaini, same pattern. It can be nasibot jar. And other one is it is like muslimani muslimaini. So it is masculine chart. So yatimaini also masculine chart. Same pattern, muslimaini pattern. And it is two, right? Because it's pair. Muslimun is Rafa. Sorry, Muslimun is one. Musliman is one. Muslimin is one. Musliman is two. Pair. Muslimaini is two. Pair. So this also Ulamaini is pair. Two. And Yatimaini also pair. So it's Nasiboj are matching, and it is pair matching. It is singular. No, it's masculine matching, and finally it's both are common. There's no al, so it's also matching. Nasubojar is like two are there, but end of the day, if both are Nasubojar, we can assume like it is matching. So actually here it is jar that we'll learn later. But the idea is very simple. Both are Nasubojar. If you assume if both are Nasubojar, all the four properties are matching. That means this is Mowshoof Sifa. Uh, Gulamaini mean we can say boys, two boys, and Yatimaini means Yatim mean orphan, two orphan boys. So how the what is the sifa of the boys? They are orphan. That's the Mowshoof Sifa. That's the idea. It's not easy exercise. It's actually interesting exercise. If you remember all the earlier singular, feminine, all the four properties of ism, then this exercise is piece of cake for you. But if you don't remember, you have to go back and study and come and make this as a piece of cake. Okay? So subhanallah wa bihamdi subhanakallah wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.